Air Baltic is the national Latvian airline with its main hub in Riga and bases in Vilnius and Tallinn, offering more than 80 direct routes from the Baltic capitals. An airline which has established a close cooperation with other airlines, thus offering one-stop global connectivity to the Baltics with interline and codeshare partners. Air Baltic takes the best practices from both the traditional network airlines and ultra-low-cost carriers. We offer economy as well as full business class service. Leisure and business passengers are provided with a wide spectrum of ancillary products to make the flight experience better. Punctuality, innovation, and expertise is what makes Air Baltic the biggest carrier in the Baltic states. Air Baltic has been recognized as one of the best employers in the industry for several years in a row, employing people of 30 different nationalities. With more than 1,500 employees, being the world's most punctual airline, we strive every day to make our operations run smoothly while providing the best service to our passengers. With over 90% of the flights arriving on time, Air Baltic has become an excellent network airline, a connecting hub between the East and the West. The Airbus A220-300 aircraft offers an excellent flying experience with wider seats, larger windows, more hand luggage space in the cabin, improved lavatories, and more. The new aircraft is also much quieter, with a 4 times smaller noise footprint. Moreover, at the moment, it is the greenest commercial aircraft in the world. Over the last years, Air Baltic has earned global recognition as the most punctual airline in the world according to the OAG aviation data, and has received many other prestigious awards in the aviation industry. Air Baltic, the world's most punctual airline.